we have a chance to get the Olympics gold medal at this time,
Grabe yun.
why not? The answer is we're actually actively working with our congressman House sa legislation kay Congressman Mike D previously sa Committee of Youth and Sports that we actually wanted to add esports na as part of that incentive.
Program, incentive. Pero we know for sure that there will be esports in the Olympics in
2027. They understand that esports is becoming the sport of the youth. And what sport does have this enormous eyeball? Esports yun, men.
Oh.
So, sila, naisip na nilang, okay, dami palang nanonood niyan eh. Why not? What esports titles are there? Not yet to be explained. Pero, we will see that, I think, 2026. Kasi, historically, ang Olympics, di naman basta-basta, sali kami. Nope. Pag Olympics, this is the highest level. You have to qualify.
Oo.
Gigapang yan. You have
Gapang
qualifiers, di ba? Not everyone,
Years
di ba?
yun.
Normally, sa Olympics, yung best of the best lang yan. It's either you qualify on your continent, nag-qualify ka
Yan.
sa wildcard,
Yan.
di ba? You have your own ranking. Like,
Yes.
kunyari sa basketball, di ba? FIBA World Cup.
Yes.
May mga ranking and then mayroong mga last chance qualifier.
Yan.
Ganun din. Normally, the host gets a slot. Di
Yeah.
ba?